Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody was just watching one of my videos, and when I use the letters C and E for aligning something, how do you know which one to select first? Well, first of all, there's a couple ways. If you open up the Align and Distribute Docker, which is under Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, it doesn't give you the hotkeys for it. So if you select these two and you go to Object and go to Align and Distribute, now you have your hotkeys. C is aligned horizontally and E is aligned vertically. It doesn't matter which one you do. But if you will select the item you want to move first, hold down the Shift key and then select that and go CE or EC, it doesn't matter. Now, if you don't do that, and you select that one first and this one second, then it's going to move the rectangle to the circle. And that's not what you want particularly if you already have this in your drawing. So just remember those two hotkeys. And you really have to have two items selected to be able to see them, because if you're not, they're grouped out. And, L is for left, R is for right, T is for top. And I use top all the time. If I press P and put this in the center and then put this in the center, and then I want it to the top to that top, the circle to the top, I hit T and it's a perfect match. And I could have it at the top, I could have it at the bottom, I could have it at the left, I could have it at the right, and then I could always use the CE to put it in the center, or if you draw in the center of the page like I do most of the time, you can always use the P key to put it in the center. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.